In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the fog light surrounds and the fog light on your Range Rover Sport L494. One of these. Now, unfortunately, to get to this, you're pretty much going to have to take off the bumper. And we've done the video and we'll put the link there. So if you put that down there nicely, Tyler, on our nice soft rubber mats. The reason why is now... we have got the supercharged 5-litre monster. Now, you might be lucky on one side, you might not have radiators. So, the trouble is, if you go in through the wheel arch liner, hoping to get to the fog light, all you're actually going to get is to the back of the radiator, where your fog lights are actually here somewhere. And you will notice we have got a radiator on this side, and a radiator on that side. I'm not sure what they call with their gearbox or whatever. But I think on our Defender, we've got one on this side, but not the other one. And some people on the Defenders have got one both sides. So I think you'll find some models have the two. And if you've got a supercharged, I'm pretty sure you can have the two. Right, enough waffling and stuff. So we have, in our normal style, coloured the bolts orange. Now, it is basically a sandwich. You've got the front gloss painted cover at the front, which Tyler's going to release with these two screws here. And then, oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. There you go. Right, yeah, let's get on with it. And that'll release the front cover. And then we can, it's sort of a sandwich. There we go. Now, all these screws are the same, aren't they, Tyler?
Yeah. All T15.
So that is tucked all the way around the corner there. Don't get distracted by that other single one like I did. Good job you're here, Tyler. Right, so we've got two of those. Now, that should then, we can pop off the cover. Has it got some little tabs on it?
Yeah.
You sort of, they don't seem to grip that well. So let me do that against the grey floor so you can see that. So that is the front cover you'll remove, and these are the little, so you can't just pull these off from the front, unfortunately, because you can see that's where the screws, if it'll focus, go through there and through into it. There you go, I've got the light on it. So that's your problem. So you can't just pull those out. There are two screws and they have to be right. With that removed, we can then we could then extract the, you could take the 3 bolts out, but we found it easier just to pull the whole assembly out, didn't we, Tyler? Yeah, whip that connector off. There's a little pressy bit on the side. Yeah, Tyler's coloured that in for us so we can see. You have to just press that down, which releases the little grip on the inside. Okay?
We've got two 30
sort of loom retainers, just to keep the loom tidy. You get under there. Oh, is this? It's already pulled out. Fight those little loom connectors off. Again, you don't have to do this. You could just pop the fog light out the front now. But I'll show you why we're doing this. Well, we're stripping the bumper down anyway. Give it a wriggle. Work it, Tyler. Like you see, it's all come out now anyway. By the time you've wriggled that out, you will get the whole assembly out. So just spin that round, face the front, so you can see there. That's so Tyler will get on and undo those 3 screws. Whip it around again. Let me show you the 3 screws they're going to do. Yeah, so the one's coloured orange, right? These are the sort of clips that you've got, and you see they have got a bit of a slope on them. So if you're struggling to release it, you have to move them away from the centre of the aperture. So these bottom ones, you have to go down, and these top ones, you have to go up, and that will remove that whole aperture there. And then all the screws are the same again. We're going to end up with a right little pot of screws here. Now, what torques are they, Tyler? T15. And there you have it. There's your, so there is your LED fog lamp assembly. There's a little adjuster on the bottom there. You can put a little Phillips screwdriver or a hex drive in there, and you can move the beam inside. The whole reflector moves up and down. There, the little yellow plastic retainers for the screws. It's got a couple of locating pins, and that is it. That is the fog lights stripped down on your Range Rover Sport L494.